Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
A wealthy Indian family with links to Modi invested in own shares. The mastermind behind this is a gentleman called Vinod Adani. He is the brother of Mr. Gautam Adani, and there are two other people who are involved in this round tripping of money. One is a gentleman called Nasser Ali Shaban Ali, and another is a Chinese gentleman called Chang Chung Ling. Why are these two foreign nationals being allowed to play with the valuation of one of the companies that controls almost all of Indian infrastructure? Who are these people? And why are they being allowed to do this? And what is the role of the brother of Mr. Adani in all this? There was an investigation. Evidence was given to SEBI. And SEBI gave a clean chit to Mr. Adani. The Prime Minister is not forcing an investigation. Why is he quiet? Why doesn't he say that he is going to make sure that this issue is investigated and the people who are responsible are put behind bars? Here, a JPC should be called, and this matter needs to be investigated. This is a matter of India's reputation, India's global reputation.